Welcome back to another hip hop breakdown. Let's check out what we have in store today. Here we go. All right. First of all, I want to thank my student. This is Salma for being in the video with me. Now, today we're talking about heel tap. Okay, so this is a good little fun drill that we use to get some of the footwork in. Okay, so first let's break it down. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go slow. Check it out. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this is basically tapping your heel. First thing I want you to do is there's actually two things going on right here. So first I want you to check out what the legs are doing. Right on the 1, you see, right here. This is where my heel tapped the floor. That's your heel tap. That's 1. Okay, right on 1. Come back on the 2. Okay, again 3, 4. That's the other leg. So that's what we're doing with the legs. So you could practice that for 1-8 count. Now, the second thing that you're doing is basically you're taking a bow. So I want you to focus on the upper body. Okay, here we go. 1, right on the 1, I'm bending forward. See how the hip is sitting back. I'm gonna use Salma for example. She did a great job, by the way. Hip is going back, chest is going forward. That's the 1. 2, on the 2, chest is going back, hip is going forward. Actually, the knee is kind of bending forward as well. So she did do a great job. So we're just doing that with the right leg and left leg. So that's 1-8 count. So let's watch that one more time. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you got to incorporate these two moves together, okay? The bowing action and also the tapping of your toes, okay? Or tapping with your heel. Sorry about that. Here we go. Moving on forward. Here's the next section. Okay, so what are we doing? Now, obviously, we're doing a little bit faster. Instead of going 1, 2, we're going 1 and 2 and, okay? And not just going forward, but we're also going to the side. So watch the legs. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now side, 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 side. And as I go to the side, notice how my body is also bending, bending to the side, not straight forward. Okay? One more time. Together. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So the two actions we're doing again is the heel, tapping of the heel, and also bowing at the same time. Okay, moving forward to the next part. Here we go. Okay, so this is actually in our routine. So in our drill, what we did was we did the slow part. So instead of doing for the whole 8 count, we just did it 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6 is forward, forward. 7, 8 is side, side. Let's watch that together one more time. Slow, slow, and then front, front, side, side. All right? So, good. Moving forward to the next section. 2 and 3 and 4 and. So the next part, we're double, okay? When I say double, I mean I do the right side twice, left side twice. However, there's a little bit of twist going on. So let's watch this together. Here we go. 1. So normally this is the 1 on the end. When I come back on the end, notice how there's a little twist right there. Okay, so I'm putting my heel crossing in front of the other leg. That's the end. So it's a heel toe action. I'm going to rewind that again. Rewind that, okay? So here you go. I'm moving forward. This is my 1. Okay, that's the 1 on the end. Okay? Sorry, that's going 1 and. That's the end. And then on the 2. It's the right foot again, so that's what I mean by double. You're going right foot, okay? Right, right, and 3 and 4 and. If that's confusing, apologize. Let's try this one more time. Tempo. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So if you've never done this before, I would suggest you maybe hold on to a chair or a wall or something to stabilize yourself if your balance isn't good, okay? So you got to practice this a few times to get your balance right and also get the timing down, okay? So we just did that slow. Let's try to do this tempo. So a little bit faster. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. All right. So let's rewind that one more time. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Yeah. Selma did a great job. I think I'm not sure if she learned this one before, but if she didn't, great job for learning it today. This time, this is the first time her in this class. So, anyways, great job, Selma. Moving forward, here we go. Okay, so now this is a little bit complicated. Okay, so this is the last part of our little drill, of our little routine. So instead of twisting to the front, we also twist to the side. Now watch this slowly. 1 and. This part's the same. 1 and 2 right here. Now watch the and 3. I'm gonna rewind it again. On the and 3 and watch the heel. This is my right foot. This is my left foot. My left foot is also pivoting. Okay, and that's how I travel. Okay, 5 and 6 and this is 7 and 8. Okay, let me start over. Here we go. This is the count is actually started on the 5. Right? Here we go. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Even though in the video I started count, but this is in the routine. This is on a 5. Okay. Here we go. So we're gonna do this one a little bit faster, I think. Here we go. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, so that part is a little bit tricky. Let's watch this one more time. Okay, so one thing I want to kind of give everybody a pointer to is when I'm doing the twisty part, watch my hands or my arms. Right here, right here. Watch my arms as I twist. Twist, 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 twist. Okay, so it's kind of like a bus driver, if you will, doing the twist. It helps me to twist. And I see that Selma wasn't really utilizing her arms to help her counterbalance the twist. So it might be a little bit more difficult if you don't use your arm, okay? So just a tip, use your arms to help you twist. There's also a down and up. Watch this. Watch the down up. Here we go. So we have 5 and 6 and. Notice on the end, you see I'm bending my knees. And 7. And I'm coming up. 7. And so I go down again. And 8. So there's a up, down action. All right? Okay, so this is the last 8 count. Let's try this. So we did the double. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, I know this is kind of fast, but I'm going to rewind that one more time. Watch this together. Here we go. 2 and 8. Okay. So hopefully you were able to catch that. Use this as a drill. I mean, we're probably not gonna use this as like a dance routine, but it's more of a drill. And we all notice we only go to the right side. So if you get this, you probably want to mirror this and do everything the same now going back to the left side, just so that you're comfortable twisting and moving to the left as well as going to the right. All right. So here we go. One last time, we're gonna put it all together, Salma and I. This is the 2-8 count, the drill. Okay, here's the drill. Heel tap drill. Use the outside. All right, so that is it. That's our hip hop heel tap. Hopefully you guys learned something. Take it away from this. You know, hit the like button, the subscribe if you haven't already, and share with friends, family members who can benefit from it. And then that's it, man. Hopefully I'll see you again soon. Peace.